Okay, we got back from Seagrove today, the pottery capital, and these are the cups that I got. So I'm going to open them up and let you guys see them. I didn't have a box, so I guess we'll have to do an unbagging. And this is the first cup right here. This one's kind of a nice little cup. It's the right size and a slightly different color. Can't have too many colors. And they do a good job wrapping them up. They don't want anything to happen to them. Now this one I got, again, just to be different. Here's their card. Let's put that over there. I like these cups. I think this is going to be the one with the colors that I really like. Those two are everyday. These would be a little bit more special. Gotta have some variety. And again, they did a great job wrapping these up to make sure that nothing happened to them. Check this out. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't wait to get this. Look at those colors in there. And this one, it may be a present. It may be a keeper. I haven't made up my mind yet. They do a variety. As you can see, again, just great colors. And these are older cups. Everybody's probably seen this one. Coffee on the back porch, and then this one I've probably had about 35 years. Their cups really hold up. And I've got a kind of a green one, but it's in the sink right now. I used it for coffee this morning. So when I'm having coffee on the back porch, those are some of the cups that I use. I hope you found this interesting. After this, I'm going to show a video I took while I was in the store and let you see some of the different items that they have in their store, because they're really a good group of people and I enjoy shopping there. Thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the rest of the show. This is a nice little shop in Seagrove, North Carolina. grandson did the eagle. Everything is extra nice. Nice little napkin rings. Toothbrush holder. A few flavors. Almost forgot. And there we have it. Now you know where I get my coffee mugs.